everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Glory. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be the start of a 12-part series. So every single month I'm going to come in and show you guys my wash routine for that month. I try to wash my hair at least twice a month, which is every other week. Going to show you guys one wash day every single month, so hopefully we can stick to that. Hopefully you guys can also share tips on what can help me improve my hair, and I'm also helping someone out there. So if that's something you're interested in and you would like to know how I achieved a moisturizing and hydrating wash day routine, stay tuned and keep on watching. The first part of this video started off with the flaxseed gel pre-poo. So if you've not seen that, please check it out, it's on my channel. And now we're going to go in with the shampoo. The shampoo I'm going to be using is this As I Am Curl Clarity shampoo. I like to use a clarifying shampoo. I'm also going to upload a series where I share the products I've used or the products I love on my natural hair, so you guys should stay tuned for that. I'm going to be focusing so much on my natural hair this year, so I'm really excited for that. I'm going to be using the As I Am Curl shampoo. This is my second time using it and I actually did like it. Low porosity hair, I love to use any clarifying shampoo. Whenever I'm buying a shampoo, once it says clarifying, it's going in my basket. Like I'm just very conscious now, or I'm more aware and conscious of the type of product I am buying. I think I'll soon get into the ingredients or the type of ingredients to avoid, but for now I look at like what the shampoo is doing for my hair. Is it clarifying, is it moisturizing, is it hydrating, so I know what type of wash day routine I plan to have. Someone with low porosity hair, one thing I implemented with my hair is shampooing twice. Usually I will use 2 shampoos, but for this wash, since I use the flaxseed gel for my pre-poo step, I decided to use just 1 shampoo. However, I still shampoo twice. So one thing I do with the shampoo is, for the first application I apply it directly to my scalp and I try to focus more on my scalp. Even for the second application I still focus on my scalp, but I also try to wash my hair as well. For shampoo, anything shampoo, just know, focus on your scalp. That's the whole point of shampoo, to clean your scalp and your hair, depending on how dirty your hair is, but focus on your scalp. So if you're someone who just applies shampoo on your hair, honey, please start focusing on your scalp. And I also like to go in with a scalp massager. I feel that just helps, target my scalp. After going in with my fingers, the scalp massager just helps target my scalp as well, just so it cleans up the scalp, and in case I may have missed it, helps me get down to the scalp. Just me, or do you guys also do this? I remember when I started taking proper care of my natural hair, it was not so long, but they will always say section your hair in 4 sections so it's easier to work. But now I just put my hair in twists. For the shampoo process, I put my hair in twist, and once it's in that twist, I try to focus on the scalp. I know these twists are going to unravel, but I really do not care. I really do not care if it gets to the point where my hair is just without parts or anything, as long as I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, which is basically focusing on my scalp. I'm reaching every area and every section of my scalp. I do not have a problem with my parts, messing up. But let me know, do you guys still follow the set rule of sectioning your hair in 4 and washing each section step by step? I just feel it's very time consuming if I go that route, especially for someone who shampoos my hair twice. So I let me know, what do you guys do? Do you still separate your hair in sections and wash one section at a time, or do you just wash everything at once? Another reason why I actually stopped doing the sections is because I realized that I would not spend as much time trying to rinse out the shampoos. Like you see now in this part, I'm rinsing it out. I'm making sure I'm opening each section and rinsing it out. It might look like it's taking a lot of time, but with me in my head, when I have sections, I want to finish up with one section and go to the next. But now I know, okay, my hair is like literally covering my scalp, so I have to take my time rinsing out the product and rinsing out the shampoo, because we don't want the shampoo in the deep conditioner step. So I take my time, I enjoy the water, I make sure the shampoo is completely rinsed out of my hair before I go in with my next step. The next step for my wash day routine is a deep conditioner. I'm going to be using this Camel Rose Black Castor Oil and Chebe Deep Conditioner. This is my first time using it. As you can see, it's like fresh out of the box or fresh out of the the packaging. I'm going to use this as a deep conditioning mask or as my deep conditioner. Guys, I have a question. What's the difference between a deep conditioner and a mask or a hair mask? And where do you use the hair mask? Is it after the shampoo, or before the shampoo, or after deep conditioner, or do you still deep conditioner after using a hair mask? I think that's one thing I never really understood. For me, I just felt a hair mask could be for people with high porosity hair because they are trying to, bring moisture into their hair. I don't know. I'm just, at this point, I'm just guessing. But I'm really curious. Let me know. Do you guys use hair mask on your hair? Like the product says hair mask, not like you're creating a DIY deep conditioner and it's a hair mask. No, I'm talking about like proper hair mask that is labeled hair mask on the product. Where do you use it? What time do you use it? Do you use it after your shampoo, or do you use it before the shampoo, or do you also deep condition your hair after using a hair mask? Please let me know. I would like to know in the comment section. Let's see, because I'm really trying to learn about hair this time around, and also share my knowledge because girl, well, we learn every day. So this is my hair. I'm done with the deep conditioner. I applied it in every section, making sure I fully coat my hair properly with the deep conditioner. I didn't apply too much because this is my first time trying it out. I'm then going to use a plastic bag and also use my beanie. Guys, I don't have anything heatable or heating cap, anything, and I thought a beanie keeps you warm, so why not just use a beanie and use my hair towel or my microfiber towel to tie it down and wait for it to do what it's supposed to do before I rinse it out. So I actually kept this in for a long time because I was washing my hair in the morning. I took a nap, a very long nap, and I woke up looking like a child that had a peaceful sleep, which I did. Okay, I did. So this is my hair when I was about to start, rinsing it off. I just wanted to show you guys what my hair looked like. As you can see, there's elasticity. It's really set. The product really entered. And this is my first time using the product. I also like to check out how my hair feels or what my hair looks like when I'm about to rinse it out. Let me just know, or just to know if it actually did anything for my hair or if it worked, and also just know my thoughts on the product itself. The next thing I like to do in my in this step is to detangle my hair. This is the point where my hair, I know in my previous video where I was talking about the pre-poo and I said I don't usually detangle my hair in the pre-poo section. This is when I go in and properly detangle, but I think whenever I'm using a flaxseed pre-poo, I would always detangle because it was just so easy, and this part was way easier for me as well. So I'm just going to do that all around my hair, making sure I'm seeing how my hair feels, and I'm also going to show you guys like the breakage I had. One thing I realized is when you deep condition your hair properly and you use a good pre-poo, perhaps if you oh wow, it just clicked, or I just clocked it. If you detangle your hair when you pre-poo, you have less shedding after your deep conditioner. I know that's fact, or that has always been fact, but I just never used to detangle my hair during the pre-poo section or during the pre-poo time, just because I'm going to shampoo my hair, and you guys saw how I shampoo my hair. I'm going to shampoo my hair, it's still going to tangle up. The point of detangling my hair in the pre-poo section when it's still going to tangle up in the shampoo part. So yeah, that's just my thoughts, and I'm using this detangling brush. I think I got it from AliExpress like a couple years ago, about 4 or 5 years ago, when it had a rave, and I've been using it since then, or I use it once in a while. I use my tangle teaser or a hairbrush or white tooth comb. But yeah, this works for me. I'm able to detangle my hair from the roots down to the ends. Once I'm done detangling, I'm going to put it in a twist and roll that into a bantu knot and work with other sections because it's just easier for me. It just works best for me. It's what I like to do. It's what I've always done. It's funny how I wash or I deal with my hair in sections in deep conditioning, but I don't like dealing with it in sections while I shampoo my hair. It's just, I don't know, just figure out what works for you or what works best for your hair type or what, you know, functions well for you and go with that, or what you think is the best routine to follow. This was the amount of shed hair I had from this detangling process. I was very impressed. I was really impressed with that. I went ahead to rinse out the deep conditioner because I was not going to show you guys that because recording in the shower, it's a sport and my shower is so small, it's a struggle. Anyways, this is my hair. This is what it looks like. I'm now going to go in with this So Much Moisture from Asayam. It's a hair lotion, but I'm just calling it a leave-in here. I found that this product makes my hair feel really good. It makes my hair feel so soft and nice. So before my hair dries up, I like to add in this leave-in conditioner. I'm still going to use a different leave-in conditioner when I'm moisturizing. You guys should stay tuned for that video, which will be up soon, my moisturizing routine. But I like to use this because it just makes my hair feel so soft. So I love it to just dry up with the rest of the hair before I start conditioning my hair or moisturizing my hair. So that's what I do, or that's what I've been doing for the past couple of weeks or past couple of wash days, and it has worked for me. Like, my hair really do feel good when I, you know, touch it after applying that product. I think that product is definitely one of the products that I used or that have used that I felt like, wow, okay, who are you? Where are you? Where did you come from? What's in you? Do you understand me? Because I rarely get impressed by products sometimes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is what my hair looks like. It was clean, it was nice. I'm just going to let it air dry for a bit before I go in and moisturize my hair because right now it's dripping wet. I would really appreciate it if you also share your wash day routine in the comment section below. So I've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. All right, bye.